up, y'all? I'm sure by the title you already know what's going on. I'm going to try GelX. So I'm gonna do a slight unboxing. First of all, I took my braids out earlier this week. I took my braids out, did a deep condition, did all of that jazz. Baby, I have inches now. If you know, you know. Started off with a blonde pixie. I got my hair done December 19th, and I just took it out March 6th. Baby, my hair has grown tremendously. I really have inches. So you really can't tell me anything. But I wanted to do an unboxing. Got it from Amazon. I'll link everything below. Just a bunch of air. Who knows? But we're going to open it up and get to what y'all came here for anyways. So I've never done GelX, but as a kid, I used to like doing my nails. Like I used to have the little design that they used to make the little tree with. I used to have all of those in all of the colors. I wanted to, first of all, I wanted the budget because I realized I'm spending buku money on getting my nails done. Like my nails on my toes, at least about $200 a month. And I feel like that may not be a lot to you, but it's a lot to me. Especially if I see the girls doing it themselves. And I'm like, well, baby, if you can do that, then I can do that. So here we are. We're about to see what this $80 is going to get us. Let's see what, ooh, okay. So it comes with a charger. I'm assuming this is how you turn it on. Yeah. So it goes in like this, and then your finger comes up under it like that. Nails galore. I got coffin shape, but there's numbers from like 0 to 10 or 11. So the numbers go all the way up to 11. So I'm sure that'll benefit somewhere. We got the nail clipper. Okay. File. This is more like a buffer. It's the UV gel glue. Essence the nail tech. Hopefully it works well. I pray to God it works well, but it comes with all of the, I don't know what these are called because I'm nobody's nail tech. I'm just my own. Come with a USB 2 with a little on and off switch. I'm excited. Y'all been waiting to do this for a minute now. So I'm assuming these are my nail polishes. So I was seeing the girls wear gloves with this, and I guess it makes sense because it's a UV light. But mine is pink, of course. Of the polishes. So this is exactly how it came. But let's get into the nail polishes. So this seems like it got like nail kits, files, clips, the little things that go between your toes, something to push back your cuticles, and then I got the natural colors because, and I read on Amazon that they gave them the wrong colors, and I low-key feel like mine are the wrong colors because I got natural colors. I didn't want the dark colors. That's gonna blow me. That is gonna blow me because I had what I was gonna get in my head already. But this looks like the top coat, base coat, and matte top coat. So they do give you options on top coats. These are my polishes. And that's pretty much it in here. But I want to open these up to just show y'all what comes with it. Because I will, oh wait, that might be new. Oh, that might be alright. It might be alright. Okay. I want to show y'all though. So I'm going to, okay, it might be nudes. Now we might be in the clear. What's in the bag though? Let me open this so I can actually show you what's going on. Okay, so a little nail dusty dust. Okay, this is to push back your cuticles. Oh, they give you cuticle oil. Cause I was like, I'm gonna just put some regular oil on my cuticles, but oh, that's cute. I like that. I really like that. That is cute. And then they give you a couple of brushes. Let's open. Let's just get all of this out. So I don't really know what this is, but maybe you know what it is. Let me hold it like that. Don't know what that is, but they give you a couple. First things first, make sure you file down your natural nails. Oh yeah, remove those nails because no. You want to make sure that you file down the inside of the fake nail. You want to make sure you file down the nail. When measuring your finger, you want it to fit wall to wall. So that's what I'm doing here. add the UV gel to the false nail. Some people add it to their real nail too. I didn't, and I don't feel a difference yet. First of all, let me just say that my first set taught me a lot. So I did my set, and then the next morning I took it off and redid the nail set. That's pretty much what I'm doing right here. Like, I was playing all the games in the world, so I'm gonna let you know what not to do. The clippy thing, it's a little difficult. So it didn't have my nails straight at first, but you see I took my time that time. Took my time. And just clip the rest to your liking. And then we're going to get into some filing and shaping to the salon. And that's what we're doing here. Just filing. I did use a base coat, y'all. I'm sorry that it doesn't reflect that. And I also did 2, maybe 3 coats of this nude, which was cute. I liked it. Especially for my first time. I don't think I did that bad. Call me Essence the Nail Tech. And here we are putting on the top coat it up, and then put it under the UV light. I did 90 seconds twice. So, oh yeah, add your cuticle oil. You see that nice shine. I love them. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, turn your notification bell on, all that jazz. You know the vibes. I'll see you on the next one.